Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Netspend employee account. So if you want to log in into Netspend, you can just basically search for any DSP.com. And it's going to take you to the official website of Netspend. But this is for those people who are the ordinary user of Netspend. This means if you are a customer, you need to go to Netspend.com. But since we are not the customer, we want to log in into employee account, we have to approach this thing a bit differently. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can do that in today's video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So Netspend.com is a website of Netspend, which provides you gift cards. So it's basically like a prepaid gift card, right? So if you don't know about that, basically in gift card, you load some amount of money, and you give it to somebody, and once that amount of money is used from that card is useless, you have to throw it away. That's what gift cards is. It's similar to a debit and credit card. But in debit and credit card, you can reload money, but a gift card you can't, alright. So basically that's Netspend.com, but we are employee of Netspend, we don't want to go to that page. We need to go to any DCHEX networks. You want to search for Netflix and click on Netflix.com. So basically, if our employee of Netspend, you need to come to Netflix. So Netflix is a human resource management company. And basically, this also is associated with Netspend. Big because Netspend has cooperated with Netflix in order to manage their employees, so we are their employees. And in order to log in and do it, come to netjax.com, go and log in. It's going to take you to this login page. Now once you're over here, you need to enter the username of your account and click on sign in. And basically on the next step, it's going to ask you for the password of your account over here. Enter the password of your account over here. Clicking continue, and if the username and password you entered is correct, you shouldn't be able to log in Internet Checks account. And if you forgot the password of your account, then you can always click on Forgot Password in order to recover it. If you're a new user, you can also complete account setup by clicking on it over here. Alright, that's basically how we guys can log in, interact, and if you want to log in into NetSuite Deploy account, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech World. I'll see you guys next time.